Welcome back to Aside Hot. Ezuku Chukudi Nkubi and our Ogbonge visitor, Oga Akinlami Daniel, dey inside studio. And we dey discuss 2-in-1 when we carry come. We don't finish the first discussion and we don't put full stop on top of that matter. Say, those when they're responsible for badness inside this country, they must face the music. That's not the only way when we say we feel restore the dignity of our country. Say, we know they support bad thing. Now, fast forward to another important issue when we say they affect us inside Obodo, Nigeria. The lingering fuel crisis inside our country. The junior minister, that is the Minister for State for Petroleum, Oga Emmanuel Ibe Kachiku, been come out, tell Nigerians, oh ha, say if we want restructure or change the system when they make them be like, say, some people they chop money for inside this country based on oil things, they enrich themselves, say we got put certain things in place. And then me talk and say, he no study magic for university. Say, what he study, now what he go apply. And say, make Nigerians, they patient until May. Plenty people come and talk, say, the kind of small taste when we don't get of this fuel scarcity, now something when they very, very difficult. But just come and talk, say, he put the date, say, na April 7. But then talk, say, woman will go make better wife. Now from girlfriend, and they know, who could be know this particular quote when they quote, because you get plenty.
Because I'm a man of proverbs. I'm a man of quotes.
Which
I'm an ancient person.
You are a man that used to stay under mango tree.
No,
doing all this.
Allow
me finish what I start now.
Why did you get me involved in your tales?
Okay, I'm sorry.
Thank you.
They say person will go be better girlfriend. Now from when he go be better wife. Now from when he be girlfriend. Now they know. April 7. Now this Thursday when they come so. But people like say the situation when it don't reach another critical level because people don't they carry generator. They go they line up for filling station.
Yeah.
Oga Akinlami, I no go talk too much. You know, I go tell you.
No. If, apart from saying no, they say Oga Akinlami, you said it dey time for your body. You want to say you said no.
Now all of us did this country.
So that is it.
All of us did this country. In fact, for some of us where they support Oga Buhari, you know the issue self don't they hook us, don't they shook us for truth. So, but where we did now, we say for things to get better, for first get worse. So, but with some information where they come out now, we don't they see the direction where this crisis they come from.
Okay.
First, the Minister for State for Petroleum, he don't deny say they promise April 7.
Okay.
They said they no promise April 7.
They no promise April 7. So Nigerians
make we no misunderstand because it came out after that information was spreading. They said they did not promise April 7. So, but I think the recent of all the information we did now, we say this thing before it gets resolved, maybe May.
May.
Now, where we should look at now, we say we don't they see some of the reason why this crisis they happen now.
Yeah.
We they hear say some marketers they complain say they no get forest to import products.
True.
And then another thing again, we say some people they talk and say some people they use this crisis to they do politics. And that is where Nigerians need to really rise up.
Yes.
We cannot put everything on Buhari. Buhari will try and do his best. Look at the power sector, for example. Part of the problem that they face now came from the sabotage, the pipeline vandalism.
Vandalization, yeah.
So if some individuals do not go and begin to destroy the source of gas that should power the national grid, we shouldn't even be at the worst situation where we did for power. Now, they talk about this fuel scarcity now, since last year. The thing disappeared for some time. We thought we got solution.
Come back again.
But now, I think we need to rise up as Nigerians. If there are some group of people where think say they can hold this country to ransom, maybe for political gain, or for whatever reason, then we as people need to start rising up now. Because if they can do this, they've done it in April/May last year before the handing over. It took the cry of the people when some marketers now decided to start selling and now relieve the situation. So if, according to the things where they come out now, the information where they come out, I think we need to do anything we can do to help the government to get the reform. Because if it's the reform that will solve this problem, we need to support them.
But
as the thing be now, we cannot absolve the
government
president
of the blame.
Yes, we can. I've just talked the one way concern us as Nigerians. But where we dey now, government must do something. That is why it is called politics. You go look at all the cards wey dey your table as a president. Even if you do not support the importation of this product or the subsidy, but there must be a transitional way that the system will not break down.
Very true.
So they have to do something. They have to do something. But if you want to implement reform, and it seems some forces are already prepared to sabotage or destroy that reform, you have to slow down.
Very true.
So now government has to do something to rescue the people.
Very true.
Because we, the people, are the ones suffering. Businesses suffering.
Yes.
Family life,
family life,
a lot of things don't they affected with
yes,
this crisis. So that's my own cry this morning. Government has to now re-strategize.
Very true.
Let's get the thing back on track first.
Oga Akinlabi, may I come from this angle now? We know, say, as a people, 170 million strong voices. If we raise them as one, a government will hear us, but they will do within the right. But in truth, if we place the three people, when we say this matter concern, maybe the two elephants when they fight, people wey wan spoil the work of government,
and the
government and the ordinary people. Government na government for a reason. Government get legitimacy. Government, I go speak English because you don't pass pidgin. Government controls the apparatus and apparatchik of state. They say people dey vandalize oil installations or pipelines. Na government dey control the security agencies wey go ensure say these people no do am.
Yeah.
Or they say people dey claim forex, people dey do this. These people get power pass government. If government wey get all the whole power, when law give to do everything, no fit do am. Na who could be when be say ordinary Nigerian wey dey trek well well. Na him wan solve this.
You know the matter be say recently Oga Femi Adesina talk one matter where he say make Nigeria go hold the vandals. The people wey dey vandalize.
Thank you very much. You've
people
just
first.
Exactly.
If you see reaction for Twitter,
Yes.
but you know the truth be say, as we dey talk am say the one wey concern us as Nigerians, if we help the country will be good. That does not exonerate the responsibility
of the government itself.
Yes, of the government. So what we are saying now is that federal government by now should have a task force. We should be proactive. We know that these gas pipelines, they pass through some very volatile areas.
Very true.
They should be proactive. From day one, they should be proactive. They should have a task force. Specially meant to protect these gas pipelines until we have alternative sources to generate enough that they will not hold us to ransom again.
Very true.
But now, as it be now, Oga Buhari spokesman
say make we go
cannot ask Gobi or me to go arrest militants wey dey put dynamite for the pipeline. You know that's the height of
but thing is for a spokesman of the government or probably a spokesman of Mr. President to come and they make this kind of declaration or rather this kind of statement, he gets to probably tell us, say, okay, somehow should they really get an outline plan of what they want to do
thank
for us?
Thank you for this your question.
Hey, it's my question. Show your question. Just hold it there. I know what you're trying. It is my question. Just respect yourself. Hold it there. Let me ask the question. Make I ask my question.
Thank you for
don't thank me for any question. I'm just asking the question. I know why you're thanking me.
You are thinking my thing.
I don't want to think your thought. Your thought is different from my own.
Okay.
Think your think. Let me think my think.
Okay,
I have my own brain. You have your own brain. Just hold your own brain. Let me hold my own brain.
Respect our visitor.
Okay.
Because if I begin to enter you now,
please,
make I answer his question first.
So you understand? And you come and say the people who say we don't give, who Nigeria don't carry leadership. Okay, make na no handle it well, make na no will take handle the so Nigeria go feel. Can't they give us all this kind Tom and Jerry kind of story? So now what you want here? The right thing should be done. So what do you think about this statement? Because we need to hold people responsible.
I think at this point, both the Minister for Petroleum and Minister for State and then some stakeholders within this power generation sector. We must develop a new security system to handle protection of these gas pipelines. It's very urgent and important.
New security system.
Now, because
that might probably take a longer process.
No, it
but there should be an immediate address to this particular matter before they will say they won't enter into.
Because as the matter they now, some of these pipeline now, then they repair them now. And you know the repair no dey happen
overnight.
Yes.
Not be water pipe now.
Now, if we do not do that, because like say 70% of our power generation now is still coming from this gas supply.
Yes, from gas, yes.
So we don't have alternative for now. So providing a new security system to take charge of this thing is one of the ways forward.
Very true.
And that has to now inculcate the existing task force or a new way. Perhaps it may have to do with stick and carrot approach too with the militants. This is
like
why
we
it's called
had it
leadership.
before under the past
Everything is
leadership,
not
yes.
aggression and force. So it's very urgent. They need to do that, because if some of these things are repaired now, there's no guarantee
That
say
it will not
Say
go
go
back
dey
to.
say of course.
They go spoil am again. Oga Kilami, if I no ask this question, plenty people go vex. Now, according to reports, they say they no say April 7th, when be Thursday. They say na May or May ending. If we check am in truth, the whole bureaucracy when they follow say vessels go come in,
yes,
they go do all those ones. More agree say May ending. But you get some people they call maybe palliatives or stopgap measure. Because salary na constant. Minimum wage na still 18,000. Na you still be minimum wage. But transport don skyrocket.
That is don skyrocket. Wey be say
E don
a lot of people don
skyrocket.
decide to even say they dey
Wetin
sit down for their
government
own
go
house.
put in place to use ensure say
Yes.
the pressure as we dey wait to say
Say the pressure
okay May
come down small.
there is a light at the end of that tunnel
Tunnel.
in May. Wetin government go fit do to use make the suffering no too much on top of the
Bring
people.
am down small.
well, you don talk am well. As Ibe Kashuku don explain a few weeks back, say e no fit deceive us say the product go arrive now. That time then they sort out all the documents and all the bureaucracy involved. But as e be, it will be a sad thing say some Nigerians get this product now.
Then they hold am.
They hold am.
Wickedness in high places.
So,
Hey,
so
please,
for them
please
to make
now.
more
Please now.
gains. So maybe we will start appealing to some of these people now. There was a man that promised that he will crash dollar
Yes.
1 month ago.
That is
maybe we
fine
beg
over-
that man
fine
to
over,
also push some
Push
people
it, exactly.
out. And make they appeal to them one by one. We don't talk government so. Government need to sit up. Make them
Do
take
it
things.
exposure.
Because if you won't do reform, and you get too many winch wey wan kill the reform, you go withdraw, use another style,
Take address am.
re-dribble them to another corner,
Exactly.
Take the attention away from the reform.
Very true.
Make life continue first.
Very true.
So make those winch dey chop wetin
wetin
dem
they
dey
want. The other
subsidize
ones,
for them.
exactly.
Then before you know it, you go nab all of them clean ground again.
Very, very
So but for now, make we appeal to those people. One man did one magic like that for April. But make them come out,
Come
throw this thing
also-
out,
Very true.
throw am, force the other marketers, force their hands
also get
down.
in- So that's
Oga
involved.
Kilami, e dey pain me say we if to say this Nkubi,
Yes,
na-
yes,
you
Chukwudi,
you
don't
na
do
you be
it.
my president o because all this.
Hey, because well, you've spoken well, and if you know what you're supposed to do am, please.
Our
Just-
people wey
no,
dey
they
for
don't
house.
take the shine here.
Allow
No,
me to-
take the collect. They take. I'll get. Next time I'll get there. You go.
Allow me to go break now. Our people wey dey for house
Okay.
go quick rush enter inside
Go
break. Wickedness in high places.
Wickedness from.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. No darling.